There you are. Is that you? Just that's you. Okay, there you go. I've sent a request on mute.
Hi, Neelu ma'am.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Go ahead, Dipti. Arpita, she's asked the question like right at the beginning. And
Okay.
go ahead, ask.
Sessions and my question always gets misplaced. Yeah, hi Arpita ma'am. Dipti.
Hi, Deepti.
So ma'am, it's like I'm an interior designer.
Okay.
And in few years I practiced and I worked very well. But it's been almost like 7-8 years and there's no practice, no scope, no hope. I almost feel like useless, like, you know. And so I'm confused. I don't know whether this is the right path or should I switch or what to do. And I'm 40. So
Okay.
I don't know.
You said you are into interior design, right? Yeah. And can you tell me your full name?
So my name is Dipti Selvakumar.
Dipti Selvakumar. Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute.
I would request everybody to please lower hand. And while Arpita is doing that, Madhubanti, I'm not being able to see you on video, so please put your video on.
Deepti, be on this path only, on the same work, whatever you're doing. Soon you're going to get an opportunity. So
it's because, you know, it's like I'm stagnant. There's nothing, means right now I'm not even working under someone. I'm not even having my personal sites and nothing is happening.
no,
And
you believe that it is telling me a very strong yes also. So you can be on the same path and soon you're going to get, you know, I think in a month or two, okay, you will get an opportunity. Let me just 1 minute douse for you the exact, you know, when, you know, you're going to start your work. When are you going to get the opportunity?
Yeah, please.
Yes, Deepti, it is telling me that you'll be soon getting this opportunity. It could be by next year.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So just, November is already going to get over. So
2021.
just 1 month. I am sure in the next month, starting either Jan or Feb, you are going to get a good opportunity. So please stick on to the same path.
Oh, ma'am, thanks a lot. Thank
Yes.
you.
Fantastic. All right. Thanks, Dipti.
You are
Yes.
the ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Madhubanti, I know you had put your video on. I'm sending you a request to unmute. Can you just put your hand up, Madhubanti? I was so sure I saw you right now. Oh, there you are. Hang on. Okay.
Yes.
Just click on the request. Okay, you know what? We'll come back to her again. And Bhavna's asked, does the package say include complete course of pendulum dowsing or anything is still left further to learn? Arpita?
No, it will be covering all the, you know, aspects of pendulum dowsing. Everything will be covered in that workshop.
Okay. Is there a way to combine package B and C? Yes, you buy them both separately.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
All right. Deepika, your question must have been way earlier. A tagged one, it will be difficult for me to check. I'm requesting everybody to please lower their hands. Okay, Preeti, are you here on video? Preeti K, right? Yes. Are you here? I'm sending you a request to unmute.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. This is the first time I got this opportunity. Hi, Neelu, and hi, Arpita.
Hi. Hi.
I've been looking for a job since almost, it's been like 7 years. I haven't got a good opportunity. Financially, I'm facing a lot of crisis. And I wanted to know, there is an opportunity now. I'm yet to go for the interview. Will I get a good growth in this company if I join? Else I need to wait for some more time for a good opportunity. What would you advise?
Okay, so just tell me the name of the company which you're going to get.
Unfortunately, they haven't revealed the company name also.
Okay. But you're going to have an interview, right, with them?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just let me ask whether you will get through the interview. Can I ask in that way? So, right? So you get through the interview.
Will this fulfill? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Preeti, okay, what is your full name?
Kopula.
Kopula.
Yeah.
While Arpita is doing that, Dinesh and Atray, please put your videos on.
Yes, Preeti ji, you will get through the interview. So, like you'll be passed. I mean, for the interview, they will, they will appoint you for something.
Okay.
So you will get through the interview. That's what I'm getting as a yes.
Will I get a growth in this? I mean, financially, I've been having a lot of difficulties.
Okay.
So.
And just a quick reminder to everybody, please come on with one question. All right.
Yeah. So, Preeti, where are you?
Yeah.
Yes. So, Preeti, it's telling me might be you would join this, but for some reason it would be that there wouldn't be that financial growth as you're expecting it to be. Okay. And I think you'll be getting then another job offer.
Wow, that's great.
So I asked according to whatever questions I was guided to for you. So because when I got this, that as you're expecting, you won't be getting that financial growth in this company, but you will pass, you will get through the interview, but they won't be as expected what you want. And after might be a month or so, you're going to get another job offer also, which you will go for.
Okay, great, Arpita. Thank you so much. It was a great relief for me. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks, Preeti. Okay, Dinesh is the the screens. Yeah, there you are. Dinesh, yeah, go ahead, Dinesh. One question. Hi.
It's also the first time that I am getting this chance. Thank you very much.
All of this, I just wanted to let everybody know it's always random. We try and take people as many as we can, hopefully in the order that we can.
Well,
Anytime anybody gets missed, please know it's never intentional, and all of our healers always come back in the evenings as well. But I'm so glad a lot of you who've not been able to get on before are actually getting on today. So remember the happiness space that I've created. I'm sure this is all part of that. Go ahead, Dinesh.
hi, Arpita. Actually, I want the guidance regarding my daughter, who is 34 years old, but remains very angry, very upset, and just abuses us that why I have taken birth in this family. I want guidance regarding that when she will be okay or cured. I think it's some mental problem.
Okay. So I think that involves a deeper, not a yes and no, but it would involve some, deeper insights to this. Okay, so let me see what I can get it. Okay, let me see. What's your daughter's name?
Aditi Ahuja. I'll be really thankful if you could give me some guidance.
Don't worry. Let me see what I'm getting. Can you also tell me her date of birth?
Yeah, that is 10 October 1987.
What is the name you said?
Aditi Ahuja,
Aditi. Yes.
but her pet name is Shelly.
Yeah, that's okay. Um, it is just that your daughter's chakras are out of, some of the chakras needs that healing. They are not in balance, not in sync. Okay, so it even told me that if you do the chakra balancing for your daughter, the problem could be solved. That is, she needs a healing. You can, I think you can even go for package B if it is possible. Okay, so that will, I can go more still deeper and answer your questions. But right now, what it is telling me is chakras, they need healing. Your daughter's chakras need healing.
She is getting healing, pranic healing from the last 3 years. She's herself doing. She feels that we as parents, we need the healing.
That's a different thing. But believe me, her chakras, when they are healed, it told me also, yes, it will give you the expected result, what you're expecting. It will give you a positive result.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Arpita.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's interesting what Dinesh just brought up. I'm just asking Arpita, like she said, her daughter's been doing this. She's been doing, I think she mentioned pranic for her, like for the last year or so. Sometimes what happens is that when the situation is like that serious for yourself, you are doing the work on yourself. It's always good to have extra support, right? So it's good to learn for yourself. Sometimes if it's not completely working out, it's absolutely fine to go out and ask for more help, right? So, yeah. And the fact that she said she feels that her parents need healing, so sweet. And you know what, Dinesh, you never know. Just take something on and see if your changes help. Her also somewhere. Would I be correct, Arpita, with that?
Yes, exactly. That's
all right. Okay, and there was a question. Sorry, I've missed it for package B, Arpita, which is it includes healings, yes, but would you also be giving solutions, as in steps to take to keep that in place and keep that healing in place and move ahead with it? Like any decisions or guidance and things?
Yes.
You will be. Okay, great.
Yes, of course. You were asking me. I thought you. Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah.
You'll be getting
Okay.
the guide. You'll be getting the guidance. You'll be getting the healing also in that.
All right, great. I hope that answers that question. And Atrey?
Thank you, Neelu. Hi, Arpita. If you can please guide me with regards to this. So, I am working in a senior management position in a company, but from last 5, 6 years, I would say always there has been some hurdle and extreme office politics. Okay, due to which I have changed a couple of times, and the package. Obviously, if I have moved, I had to compromise on the package. Even
Okay.
in my current company, currently in this year, I am the only woman in the senior group among all the men. And I think for some or the other reason, currently I feel there's a lot of uncertainty in my job, and it could be that I might be asked to leave, right? And I am the only earning member of the family. I've got a small child, so and with loans. So just to give you an idea what is the situation, and I have started looking out for a change very recently, as of last 2 days. So just wanted to understand that will my current job be secure, because I haven't got any raise this year. So completely no raise at all, which I was expecting after putting in a lot of effort in my current job itself, right? 14, 15 hours of work. And if not, should I go ahead and move jobs and shift? Is there a possibility to move to a better position, a better paying job in a good company in the next few months, maybe 3 to 6 months, where I can stick around? I don't want to shift, because again and again, it's been almost 19 years of experience. I don't want to shift very frequently.
Okay. Okay. Let me
I'm
ask.
extremely worried. Like, I'm getting palpitations. I am not able to sleep. My health is getting affected. So that is the situation. And obviously, I can't share it. And I've recently lost my father. So this is the overall situation.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me your full name.
My name is Atrey Bhaval. It's ATREYEE BHOWAL.
Okay.
We're also getting close to time. Madhubanti, Dolly, if you're here, put your videos on. Otherwise, I'm just going to pick somebody randomly from the video here. There you are. Okay.
Yes, Altri, you can move on from this job. It is telling me. Okay, it will be better for you if you just look out for another job, and you will get also another job if you start looking out. So yes, it is showing it is for your highest good to move out from this job.
And will it be a something that I can stick around, in the sense no compromise in terms of
Yes, it
my
will be for your,
designation and salary?
definitely, because it's come. I have even asked in this way whether it will be for her highest good. So yes, that would be for your highest good. New job which you would get would be definitely for your highest good.
And do you see any timeline, Arpita, just in case?
Okay, let me see. It's just telling me very soon.
Okay, thank you so much. I
Yeah.
really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Atrey. Madhubanti, you're here, you're unmuted.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think she also had a question about her job. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Madhubanti.
Ma'am, I want to know that which field will be good for me to have a successful career in my future.
Okay. So you just tell me which field is in your mind so that I can check that which will the field be good for you.
Ma'am, any media or creative field?
Okay. You have any options in your mind? I mean, you have planned something, whether or like whether it is this or that.
Ma'am, it can be like filmmaking related to films, filmmaking or any such.
Give me some 2 or 3 options so that I can
Acting or
get
like
down
that.
on that.
Ma'am, acting.
Acting. Okay. So whether acting could be good for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Your name Madhubanti Adhikari.
Adhikari.
Okay. Madhubanti, acting, it's coming no. Okay. You just, if you want, you can ask me 1 or 2 more options which you have in mind for in regarding this field.
Ma'am, any production house?
Okay. Yes, you can go for that. That will be fruitful for you and you'll be successful in that.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Madhubanti. And we are literally almost at time. I know I saw Tully. I think she's gone off with you again. Ashokji, did you have a yes/no question to ask?
Yes.
Yeah, we're almost at time. Actually, literally at time. Go ahead, Ashokji. Arpita?
Okay.
Please ask, Ashokji.
I just want to change my house, whether I should change it or not.
Okay.
And Amrita, hang in there.
Ashok ji, right? Ashok Prasad.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashok ji, you can change. It's given a
Is
proper yes, you can go ahead.
there any time limit?
Time by when you can change?
No, I don't have anything in mind, but
Okay. Yeah, let me see. You can shift your house if you want by the month of March, mid-March or something.
okay. Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. And I can still see Amrita here. I've sent you a request. This is the last one we're taking on for right now. Remember, Arpita is going to be back at 6 o'clock this evening as well. Amrita, go ahead.
Hi, Arpita. I really enjoyed the session a lot. I think it was fantastic. It was really, really nice. So first of all, thank you, Arpita and Neelu. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The second thing is that I've always been a very keen learner all my life, and I want to go ahead with your course. And so I was thinking initially I'll go in for the 10-minute session because it's the first time I'm hearing this. I've never done this earlier. I got your SMS on the WhatsApps. I was like, okay, because I've always been a very keen learner about a lot of things. Like right now, I'm doing Osho Zen classes. I'm doing numerology. I'm also doing Vedic astrology. So I've been a very keen learner. And I believe in implementing every time. I'm a 5-star rated author on Amazon worldwide. And I help people in writing their books within a span of about, say, 5 to 30 days. And there have been about 10 people who've written their book all over the world. And so I'm into, like in the sense into helping people write their book. And when they come to me, they're like, ma'am, we don't even know how to speak in English. I said, don't worry, I'm accountable to you. The commitment lies on my side. In fact, I was hearing that lady right now where she said that my daughter is saying that you need to get the chakra healing done. I don't believe in that. The girl has to get her chakra healing done because the power is with you. So when you said very correctly about chakra healing, I think that is really, really important because when your chakra are not aligned, then you face such problems.
Yes, of course. Yes.
And I totally could resonate with you at that time. And I don't know why that girl is saying the parents should do it because it sounds very funny. I'll be very honest.
Amrita, do you have a question for Arpita?
Of course I do. Of course. That's the reason I raised my hand.
Yes.
So Arpita, I'm also into a lot of chakra healing and, I'm doing a lot of things and I want to do my session with you. In fact, I'll do it today or tomorrow with you. That's for sure. You've got my WhatsApp number. So I just wanted to know that, I think, so I've been empowering a lot of people in terms of whatever I've learned. And I want to learn this thing also what you're teaching and empower as many people as possible, So I'm going to be doing that and I'm definitely getting enrolled in your session. So having said that, I have a question to ask you that whatever I'm doing in life, I know it's my divine purpose. It's my purpose of being here.
Yeah.
And I don't do something for the sake of doing it. I'm either there or I'm not there.
Okay.
I'm very clear. So if I'm sitting here and talking to you, that means that I am going to go ahead with your sessions. I'm very clear. Otherwise, I wouldn't have come on the Zoom session. So I wouldn't have come. I'm being very straightforward with you. So having said that, I want to ask you that I have this conviction that whatever I'm doing in life is not just my work, but that is what I'm here for. Could you please answer me that?
Okay. And Amrita Mitru. Okay.
Hanji.
Yes, dear. It's exactly what you believe that you're doing, and that's your life purpose. Follow that. You are on that path. And yes, it is telling you what you believe. It is a yes for that.
I know that. Arpita, I don't do something for the sake of it. I'm a very passionate person and I want this world to be a place of love.
Right.
You continue on your purpose. I'm sure you'll be able to do that.
Thank you. And I want to do a session with you today to start with and to understand everything. So if Neelu could fix up a time of mine and yours, it'll be great. And we can just do it anytime, whatever time is convenient for you.
Amrita, whichever package you pick up, when you clear the payment with the receipt that comes in, you'll automatically get either a link to schedule or a number to get in touch with Arpita to fix a time for her convenience and yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right.